In that way, that very nature of desire is either to disappoint you by not fulfilling it, or even if you are fulfilling it by getting very temporary pleasure, very temporary satisfaction. Again, after satisfying one desire, the mind again will crave for some other desire. And again, that same stress, same tension, same anxiety will again follow. If that is the nature of desire, because of this nature, because of this impermanence nature, because of this unfulfillment nature, because of this disappointment nature of the desire, because of its stressful nature, because of this oppressive, burdensome nature. So Buddha has to say, so this desire is the cause of suffering